Here's EATER app. It was just released by Vox Media. So here in this app, you can just find best restaurants wherever you are. Probably it only works in US right now. 10,000 plus editor curated maps in cities worldwide. Search by dish, cuisine, location. Book a reservation right in the app. Go from browsing to booking in minutes. No more endless scrolling to figure out where to eat. The EATER app is the fastest route to your next great meal. Get instant access to all of EATER's restaurants and cities around the world where you plan the trip, exploring your neighborhood or suddenly need a snack. Only the best restaurant recommendations. You're on the map. Go from browse to book in minutes. So 100 plus cities actually. So not only in US, and you can just here. Let's just take a look at it. You can just access location, and then here, for example, Copenhagen. Like you can, yeah, if you are traveling, you can see some nice little restaurants and see like editor picks, some blog posts, for example, what are sort like the best restaurant, and this is just what you have here, and so that's that's just what it is. You can find starting from hot dogs to that's just what it is, and then that's what it is. And this app, you see it was released in 2012, or maybe they're just the blog post, but here, for example, you can just go and see also like where to eat in other places, and then you can either see a map or you can see a list. So and then you can see your saved places. If you wanna, then you can just go and create an account here, super fast and easy. So yes, that's just what it is. This new app. If you like just eating out, you can use this app for ratings and just finding some places to eat. So there you have it.